What is up, everybody? I think we're recording here. There we go. June 12th, 2021. It's Saturday, and this little gold and silver action. Let's take a look at what's going on. We finally got some bigger moves out of this range in gold. And so a lot of people that were in my group have been getting a lot of messages about like, dude, well, you aren't sending any gold trades out there. What's going on? And man, when we're, just to zoom in a little bit here, when we're in something like this, I'm not going to send out trades for anything, not even take trades on my own. It doesn't match up my own strategy, and definitely not send them out as signal setups for people. That's just asking for trouble. So you got to be patient, let these moves play out. And for me, I've been talking about dollar strength coming in for quite some time, and it looks like it's starting to show its face here with gold. I don't know what to like. Fundamentally, I don't want to say we're going lower because we have higher inflation, inflation's going higher. That's the thing. And so but trillions of dollars have been printed by the Fed, so which would devalue the currency, which would in turn make the dollar weak, and just would be a great reason for every reason in the world for gold to continue higher, which is what it's been doing for quite some time now. But Friday was a strong day for the dollar here. So this is what happened on Thursday. Thursday was the inflation data, and we had this huge spike here, huge spike higher, massive bullish candle, retest of this 1900 level, and another big rejection. So we had 3 of these in a row. One, and people just keep getting long here, thinking we're breaking higher, and third time's a charm. I mean, how many times do you think gold bulls, including me, I think long term we're going higher, but I didn't try to get long here, just because, like I said, we're in so much of a range here that I wasn't going to take my chances. Now we broke down, and this was Friday's action. We got rejected here, broke down. We're at the same level of support that we were at. If I go the 5-minute, you can see, or I think it's 15-minute. Yeah, this nice order block that we just retested here. So this is where we're at. So this level of support, 1875, is going to have to hold. But if we do move lower, which, to me, it really looks like we're on the cusp of, I would be looking for some sort of move back to around 1888, and then a move lower, right? So like this 1888 level, we've been trading it for a while. All the guys and girls in my accelerator group, John specifically, I'm thinking of right now, me and him been talking for a while. 1885, 1888, how significant this level is here. See this resistance, then became support, broke through. This is a big level. So we're going to have to clear that if we come back to challenge it starting the week on early in the week next week. So we're going to have to see how that pans out. But, it sure looks like we could be making another move lower. And this is what I was talking about earlier in the week too. What I would like to see is technically, it would be great to get some sort of dip, especially great in terms of a buying opportunity down here, make some sort of low, and then making a move to make our next high from there. So this would be a huge level for us to buy at, but we're gonna have to start making some higher highs, because really, we're making lower highs, big ones. And this is a big rejection that happened on Friday. So gold's starting to show a bit of a trend, and you know what? It's a downtrend. So that also supports my theory that the dollar is breaking about to break out. We're about to see some dollar strength. So here we are with silver. Now silver's in even more of a range than gold was. So not much really to report here other than us staying right inside of this range. And I'm looking at us around here, which is also where this 200 simple moving average is. 27.40. Now if the dollar gets some really strong moves coming in, we could be looking to test this 2024 level. Seems like a pretty legitimate target. We have this nice imbalance right here. This could be a good target down here. And of course, I am crossing my fingers for this little IT candle hiding away at 1940. And man, it's going to be all systems go. If I did a huge thing on this in my accelerator call, this would have us retesting the breakout point from this huge move back in July of 2020. So this would be massive. If we were to get down there, and it would be a huge buying opportunity. So it's going to be a big week for the dollar this week. We're going to have a lot of fun trading it. Hopefully going to be getting some more gold trades out there. But, you know, if you're trading metals, so many people try to trade gold. People always want to trade gold, and they try to, and you know, end up forcing trades on it, and it never works out well. Hadn't worked out for me in the past. And I know if you're watching this, you've been around the markets long enough, you're like, yeah, I've been there. So, but if you want to be a part of our group and get in on this action, click the link below to get started. And I can't wait to see you in the group. We're going to have an awesome week this week, everybody. Peace.